Hello, I'm Fiona from the MacArthur Centre for Sustainable Living. Have you heard of biodiversity? It is the variety of all living things and the ecosystems to which they belong. An ecosystem is like a community where every living thing works together to ensure that the community works. There are many ecosystems around the world that are alike, but each hold their own unique biodiversity. Both Australia and India have grasslands, but a tiger doesn't belong in the grasslands of Australia, nor does the koala belong in India. So, what are these ecosystems? The forest ecosystems have lots of trees and plants and control the temperatures of the world. They also pull in a lot of carbon. Grassland ecosystems have fewer trees than the forests and consist mainly of grasses and herbs. Tundra ecosystems have no trees and are in areas that are very cold, like in the Arctic. Desert ecosystems have very little rainfall. The days are so hot and the nights are cold. Freshwater ecosystems are waterways that don't contain salt, just like our streams and wetlands. Marine ecosystems contain salt, just like our oceans and the seas. Ecosystems need both biotic and abiotic things to survive. So what are these things? The abiotic part of the ecosystem are all the non-living things such as climate, air, water, nutrients, soil, and so many other things. The biotic part of the ecosystem is all the living things such as plants, microorganisms, insects, and animals. The biotic part of the ecosystem is made up of producers, consumers, and decomposers. The producers of ecosystems are plants because they are able to produce food. Even animals that only eat meat need plants because their prey could eat plants. The consumers of ecosystems rely on others for food, whether they eat the plants or they eat the animals that eat the plants. The decomposers of an ecosystem are like little recyclers, eating up the decaying and the dying parts of the ecosystem. Just like the parts of this spider web, all living things are connected. This is why biodiversity is important. When a new species is introduced or a living thing becomes endangered or extinct, this can affect the delicate balance of an ecosystem. Don't forget that every little thing that you do for the environment helps. So why not check out the description below for our website or our social media platform so that you can learn more.